Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to disable Steam news pop-up. It's super easy process to disable news pop-up. Just follow these steps. Launch your Steam and sign into your Steam account. And then click on Steam menu and click on settings. And here select interface. And now scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will get this option: notify me about additions or changes to my games, new releases and upcoming releases. So to disable news pop-up, you have to disable this option. And now on, you won't get any notification pop-up for news or upcoming releases or about additions or changes to any games. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to this Topical Talks channel. Thank you for watching.